Good evening. I'm Kevin Burke with the National Weather Service for Chicago, Illinois. Just wanted to take the next few minutes to bring you up to date on the latest information regarding our winter storm affecting portions of the region tonight and tomorrow. First of all, the storm system itself is now moving across the Texas Panhandle, and the associated surface low itself should move somewhere near the Boot Heel of Missouri, northeastward across the Ohio Valley and into the lower Great Lakes region into Sunday. This particular track is going to favor the heaviest snow axis well to the north and west of Chicago. This will include eastern Iowa, northwestern and far north central Illinois, and into the Great Lakes regions from there. Here's kind of a rundown of what we can expect for tonight. Mainly rain south of the area. Temperatures have warmed above freezing in most areas, so that the threat for freezing conditions will be very low. However, as we head north, especially north of I-80 and really away from Lake Michigan itself and outside of Chicago, we can expect a wintry mix of freezing rain and also possibly some sleet. Areas near the lake have warmed above freezing, so also in those areas the threat for freezing conditions has diminished, especially through this evening. But areas inland out across north central Illinois here, west of Cook County, still remain in the upper 20s to near 30 degrees, and these are the areas that are going to be favored for freezing rain through the evening as the moisture continues to stream northward. Freezing rain and sleet will also be possible into the Rockford area through the evening as well. But at some point later tonight, likely after midnight, the winter mix is expected to change over to snow, and the snow could become heavy at times, especially later tonight and into early Sunday. This is the area where 4 to 8 inches of snow are possible. Here's a look at the latest radar imagery. You can see a lot of moisture with this system. Even showers and thunderstorms occurring across the lower Mississippi Valley, and plenty of rain occurring across the Ohio Valley here. And the area highlighted with the pink dashed line is the area that is most susceptible to seeing freezing precipitation this evening. Further to the southwest, this area of precipitation you see is mostly in the form of snow, and this is the area of snow that we're expecting to move across north central Illinois tonight, later tonight into tomorrow. Now, as far as total snow accumulations, it's really going to favor northwestern and north central Illinois here, with up to 4 to 8 inches possible in these areas. But snow amounts will taper off significantly as you head south and east towards Chicago, with likely an inch or less expected, especially for the southern suburbs of Chicago. And again, as far as the timing and impacts here, mainly rain south of Interstate 80 through the night. Once you get north of Interstate 80 and really away from the lake and away from Chicago, you can expect periods of freezing rain this evening and overnight. And this, of course, could cause glazing on area roads and also elevated surfaces. And then later tonight into tomorrow, heavy snow is expected across far north central Illinois, with up to 4 to 8 inches of accumulation, and this will also add to some travel problems across that area. Here's our current warnings and advisories. You can see winter storm warnings here across north central Illinois, and then a winter weather advisory this evening for areas for the winter mix of freezing rain and possibly sleet. Again, areas closer to the lake have already warmed above freezing, so the threat for freezing precipitation is diminishing for those areas, at least through this evening. So the rain will spread north, and areas to the west across north central Illinois remain below freezing, so expect periods of freezing rain there, with ice accumulations likely. And then snow will become the predominant precipitation type across north central Illinois later tonight and into early tomorrow. Some light snow is possible as well into the Chicago area towards morning, but very little accumulation is expected. So that's the latest on our winter storm for the area. Thanks for joining me, and have a good evening.